Hi, thank you for coming. How are you? My name is Q here. I've been trading for 8 years on SMC and ICT account. Thank you for the like. Hi, welcome. Hi, welcome Stacy. How are you? My name is Q here. I am a SMC and ICT trader on my six figures account. Hi, JL. Hi, welcome. Thank you for the like. Thank you. Hi, I'm looking at SPX. SPX S&P 500. Yeah, 4 hours chart. Hi, welcome. Thank you for the like. How are you? Hi, Mountain Rival. Hi, welcome. Thank you. Hi, Eamon. Welcome. Thank you for coming. Hi. Thank you. If you have any question, write in the comment section below. I'll be giving out free analysis. Yeah. Now, looking at gold. Shall we look at gold? Now let's look at gold. Interesting because let's prepare for the next trading session on Monday itself. Gold, where's my gold? Go right here. Right. Alright, let me clear my mapping. Give me a second. Hi, welcome. Thank you for coming. Thank you for the light. Hi, support. Hi, Anna. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Welcome. Thank you. If you have any question, write down in the comment section below. I'll be giving out free analysis. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Hi, Curdy. Hi, welcome. Thank you for coming. If you have any question, write down in the comment section below. Now, looking at gold. Hi, welcome. Two viewers here. All right. Hi, TC Property. How are you? Good evening. Where are you from? My name is Kyo here. Have you had your dinner? If you have any question, write down in the comment section below. I'll be giving free analysis. Yeah, free analysis. Right. Now looking at gold. Looking at gold right now. Let's look at gold. Now, for gold, finally it moved towards in my favor because the US-China trade deal come into a consensus, right? Came to the consensus, and tariff has been reduced, all right? And US government shutdown also just ended this week, few days ago, right? All these good news are pushing the gold downwards, pushing the gold downwards. All right. So I'm expecting gold to move sideways. Move sideways, yeah. So quite easy for us to trade because sideways rule of thumb: buy low, sell high. All right, buy low, sell high. All right, thank you. All right, for gold, let's look at it. Now there is this now looking at since 21st of October, 21st of October, gold has just changed from the uptrend right here, uptrend, to downtrend or sideways. All right. So the uptrend market structure just break on 22nd of October, and it retests the critical area right here. All right. So once it retests the critical area, so it moves downwards. Right, from here onwards, gold started to consolidate or move sideways. Right, moving sideways since then. Hi Donna dear, welcome. How are you? Hi, welcome. If you have any question, write down in the comment section, yeah. And there's a group in the comment section, so don't forget to join the free group. Say hi to my assistant or to my group. We will be assisting you on trading. All right. Don't be shy, ask any question. Hi, welcome. Now for gold, gold is moving sideways since 22nd, 23rd, 22nd, 22nd October. All right, and it moved past this 4139 during my last session, last live session on Monday or Sunday or even Tuesday. Right, so those who has been following or pay attention, right, congratulations, because Monday live session, all right, my expectation or my analysis work out, right? So from Monday, if you could have entered the trade, right, so I think perhaps you could have profited about 1,000 pips, about 1,000 pips. All right, so if your capital is about $1,000 or 10K or 1 grand, you could have earned about 10%, right? 10%. Now for gold, now same pattern happens over here. All right, moving up, pull back, move up again, test the recent high, and break the change of character. All right, same goes to here. You see here, same example, same pattern. So I think for gold, it could be moving downwards, right? Moving downwards. So for 4139 level, 4140, all right, this is the critical area. Hi, welcome. Thank you for coming. If you like my analysis, don't forget to like my account. You will get notified whenever I do the live session over here, right? Live session. So any question, write down in the comment section, or if you would like to join my free group, all right, free group in the comment section. Yeah, hey AM, welcome. How are you? Thank you for coming. If you have any question, don't be shy, write down in the comment section. Yeah, I'll be giving live analysis like right now, so don't be shy. You just lost your funded account today because not using SL. I see. So you are trading prop firm. Thank you for the like. Thank you. Thank you for the like. Yeah. Thank you for the like. You just lost your funded account. You lost like 10K because of how to fix it. All right. How long have you been trading? How long have you been trading? How long have you been trading? I need to understand your trading experience and 8 months. Yeah, all right. Where do you learn from? And which market do you trade? Which market do you trade? Sorry, I've been coughing. Your strategy is great. You're from USA. I see. Briefly describe your strategy. What is your strategy, or what is your trading system? Write down. Just briefly write down, yeah? Let's discuss and exchange and review. ICT and SMC. I see, but I think ICT SMC uh, did give you the concept of how to set the SL. You just don't set the SL. Been trading for 8 months, your funded account. Um, Now, if you learn ICT and SMC, I believe stop loss or risk management is always important. You need to know how to scale in and scale out, right? I don't use it. You don't use SL and you don't use it, and always wait for it to lose it all. Oh, that's a very common mistake that new trader made or beginners made. All right, risk management is poor. If you are interested, now I have my guide in my group actually on how to properly manage your risk, even for scale in and scale out. It's in my guide, it's in my course, right? If let me give some tips, a simple tips here. Your funded account is how? What is the size of your funded account? What's the app? All right. Wow, so many questions, so sudden. Now, what do you mean? What's the app? Now for AM, if you are interested, right, join our group, say hi to my assistant, right, and we will be guiding you, or you can just PM me on my official account, all right, and I will guide you along the way. Don't worry. Yeah. What do you think about SPY coming in next Monday, bear or bull? All right. All right. Hang on, yeah. One by one. One by one. Hang on. Hang on. SPY. SPY. All right. S&P 500 ETF trust. We are looking at this ETF trust. Same analysis as S&P 500. Now for next Monday, I based on the fundamental. Yes, is it for free? Yes. Don't worry. Yes, I have free material for beginner. So if you want to give it a try, so say hi to my assistant or say hi in my group, join group in my comment section. There's a link there. All right. Now for SPY or SPX, let's look at the fundamental aspect. Yeah, fundamental aspect. Donald Trump, this evening around 6 o'clock, he just announced to reduce tariff on coffee and what else? Can't remember. My bad memory here. Coffee, beef, and other goods, grocery goods, right? So to reduce the cost of living actually. So I think it could stimulate the spending in the US. Hi Blur, hi welcome. I'm great here. Thanks for coming. All right. So for SPY, looking at the fundamental. Now suddenly so many messages here. Hang on, yeah. Say a hi there, right? I'll reply you or say hi to my assistant or my group. They will reply you accordingly, yeah. So for SPY, whether bull or bear, we don't predict, right? We react what happened next. So Now you see here, I have marked out the critical area here around 663 level to 660. All right, make it round number. And the 4 hours chart on this previous candle, this is the bullish sign actually. We can see here at this critical level, buyer has been coming in, all right, for multiple times, at least about 3 times. All right, 1, 2, and 3. Now for the last 2 candle over here, the buyer is quite strong, right? And before the New York market close, the the seller came in a little bit, right? But no worries about that, because a lot of positive news came in. But the only thing that we have to worry about is the job data. The data gap happens when the US government shut down. All right. So on the next coming trading session, if the market pull back at this critical, hi, thank you for the like, thank you. All right, thank you, thank you, thank you, appreciate it. All right, so if it pull back here, if it pull back here, and there is a bullish signal or bullish price action, let's say for example bullish change of character or a bullish engulfing pattern, then we can go for a long position. This is the setup for a bull market. But what if it breaks below the 663 to 660 level, all right, and it retests this bearish change of character, then we should go for a short position, right? So we don't predict, we react. Yeah, so do I answer to your question, Jayski? I hope I do you crystal clear? Do you clear? If my explanation really helps you, don't forget to follow my account, my official account, and you will get notified on my live trading session. I do live on Asia session and New York session as well. All right. Now AM, is it for free? Yes, the material is for free and it's easy to understand. It's for beginner. So say hi, yeah. Thank you for following. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm grateful. I'm always grateful for what I have, and grateful to have here. Meta, what do you mean meta? All right, meta. Hi user. Hi, welcome. Thank you. User. For meta. All right. Meta. All right, meta. So for live session over here, if you have any question, write down in the comment section. Yeah, I'll do the live analysis for free. Now for meta, wow, there's a huge gap over here. Now I heard of quite some news regarding the data policy or the advertisement on Meta, right? A lot of unlawful or illegal business have been doing advertisement using the Meta, and in some countries, the main revenue came from there, and Meta denied it, right? But whether it will affect the Meta's revenue, I think yes, perhaps if the local authority or local enforcement come in. All right. So for Meta, let's look at this. Now for Meta, looking at the daily time frame over here, we can see there's some loss of orders right here between 603 to 5550. All right, 603 to 550. All right, a lot of order right here. All right, hang on, yeah, a lot of message over here. All right, for Meta, give me a minute. All right, a lot of order here. So now Meta is moving up and down sideways since last year end 2024 and yeah, I think we could apply a mean reversion strategy, buy low sell high, or we look at the mean. All right, so right now let's draw the Fibonacci retracement. All right, Fibonacci retracement. So right now Meta is sitting at 61.8 level. All right, critical it's sitting at discounted price actually. So and combining the trading volume at the level that I mark out, all right, the area. So applying the ICT concept, this is at discounted price. All right. So for Meta, let me clear this Fibonacci. So for Meta, now same thing. If it retests the area and form a bullish change of character right here, all right. Once the bullish confirmation is formed, you can capitalize it and enter a long position targeting a near-term target at 689. All right, 689 here. Right, you can scale out a little bit at this level, and the next target will be at 786. 786. All right, 786. So you can scale out. All right, if it breaks below this area, so we should look at bearish confirmation and perhaps you can do a sell. All right, the next key level is at the liquidity sitting right here around 484, somewhere 484 or 480. All right, 480. All right, so do I answer to your question, Meta? Are you still here? Hi, Jayski. Well, now AM is facing a problem here. Okay, let's answer to your question. Bro, is the mindset problem easy to solve? I thought today to quit because of it as I lost it all. Now, for a mindset problem, I think you need a personal coach actually. Now, how to solve it? For a stop loss, right? You don't place a stop loss, I think, because you place a quite huge volume. You give me a minute, yeah? Give me a minute. Give me a minute. All right, I'm back. All right. Now for the mindset problem, I think you should text me or straight away text my official, or you join the group and you PM me. All right. You need a personal coach. Okay, for a start, let me analyze. Why do you uh the potential of not setting stop loss, the potential reason. One thing is you do not know how to set risk per trade, right? Risk per trade is very important, all right? And the second thing, second potential reason is because yeah, you learn ICT and SMC, but it is good to have a trading SOP or trading system. All right, if you have your trading system or trading SOP and you follow accordingly, I think it will settle or it will solve your mindset issue. All right, mindset. All right, the next thing is that I think you should stop on funded account. How many funded account has you burst, right, or have you failed? Where's the group? All right, in the comment section there's a link, or you PM my assistant, or you PM my assistant. He will guide you along. Oh, I see. You only have one and lost it in challenge phase. On the first step of on the first phase or second phase or the last phase. Hi, thank you for coming. Thank you. There are 3 viewers here, 3 audience here. If you have any question, write down, yeah, write down in the comment section. And thank you for the like. Thank you for the support. Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you. Hi, welcome. Thank you for the live. My name is Kyo here. If you have any question, write down in the comment section, yeah? I've been trading using SMC and ICT concept for 8 years. Hi, Tianci. Morning. Oh, hi. If you want me to analyze any market, write down in the comment section, yeah? Tianci. First, you over leverage. Yeah, that's the one of the thing that I mentioned just now, few minutes ago, right? And don't stop. Now, the you have to understand your root cause because you over leverage, right? And the mindset of gambling starts when you trade with a huge lot size. Hi, welcome. Hi, Lun, Justin. Hi. This is the English session I mentioned earlier on. Right, welcome. Thank you for coming. If you want me to analyze any market, write down in the comment section. I will be doing English session live every Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Yeah. All right, sure. PM. You can PM my personal account, official account, and I'll guide you along. Or you ask my assistant. We prepare a guide for our member. All right. Thank you for coming. Thank you for the like. Appreciate it. Right, Tianci, Justin. Thank you for coming. So I was looking at Meta. All right. All right. Thank you for the message. I'll react afterwards. All right. Don't forget to join my group, free group over here. And don't forget to follow my account. You will get notified when I do the live session over here. All right. Don't forget to join our free group. All right. Now I was halfway talking about gold. I was not halfway. Is it? Did I finish my gold analysis? Did I? I'll send you the link later on. Don't worry. All right. I'll send you the link later on. Don't worry. Let me see. All right. I'll react afterwards. It's about 10:16 right now. Any other markets that you would like me to to analyze? And which market do you trade on your funded account? Hi Junior, welcome. Thank you for coming. Hi Abu Dahil. Hi Single Hustler. Hi Nikki. Only here to laugh. Interesting name. Amex Emil. Thank you. It's been a pleasure to have you guys over here. You felt very influenced by gold this week. Wow. You felt very influenced. How influenced? Why do you influence by gold? Nasdaq and gold. Okay. As a beginner, yeah, in fact, ICT SMC is very good to apply in Nasdaq, but it's quite volatile actually for this true market actually. Um, no worries, we discuss later on. Many losses. Oh my god. Wow. Few people here have some losses. All right, on go as well. Oh my. Um, Now it's quite normal. Join our group. Join our group. All right. Very. I have a guide over there, and we have a lot of members. We exchange idea and we remind each other. All right, and I do send my analysis. For gold. So all right. Let's look at gold since few people here are having losses on gold. Right, thank you for coming. Hi Nikki, hi Abu Dahil. Hi, only here to laugh. How are you? Where are you from? If you have any question, write down in the comment section, yeah? Wang Kai. Oh, Wang Kai. Wang Kai, hi. Well, why did you lose? You can describe? Briefly describe how did you lose, yeah? Now, I think it's quite common because um, the big players know that the beginners or the newbie always go for buy. All right, they don't have some confirmation. All right, when the market retraces here, all right, that is when the big players or the financial institution comes in on Friday. All right, Friday retracement, big players comes in. So if you have many losses, I guess you are doing a layering or martingale strategy, which I don't really recommend. Oh my god, has been losing money for a year in a row. Right. Now this is a good place. I think it's a pleasure. It's a good destiny for you to have here. And PM, join our group and let's have some you can have free consultation with me later on after the live session. Losses in the year in a row, I think yeah, I feel bad for it. But here is the right place for you to learn, right? So for gold, right now it has just passed the previous higher low. All right. Perhaps the next trading session we have to look at the price action. It might be moving downwards to retest at 3920 level. All right. Otherwise, once it retraces at the key level here, you look at here. All right, at 414037. There's a fair value gap over here. Fair value gap. Let's mark out and create some alerts. Hi, thank you for coming. If you have any question, write down in the comment section below. I'll be giving out free analysis, yeah? And if you are interested to join our group, don't forget to click the link or say hi to my assistant. We will guide you along the way, don't be shy, yeah? Thank you for the like. Thank you for coming. It's been a pleasure to have you guys over here, and I appreciate it. You kind of want to give up. Oh, you have been trying for a year. Um, and you are still here, right? I always believe trading is not easy. I understand that. But think of a trading like a business, right? There's no such business that can reward you so fast. All right. Maybe perhaps you didn't came across here. All right. Or I think before we start a business, we should learn first. We should do some practice. We should do some market survey. All right. We should do some market survey. Then make practice. All right. Practice. And if you really make no good progress, now approach a mentor. So I'm great. I'm happy you are here. So you can always PM me. I'm trading for about 8 years already. All right, ups and down. I also try subscribe to Signal as well, which is not good. I've been there before, right? I understand your feelings. So yeah, I help people for free always. It depends. It depends on the attitude and I pick. All right, of course, the free is for people who support me over here, right? Now, next. Hi, Abu Dahil, you've been here for quite some time. Hi, Wang Kai. Right? Don't give up so fast, right? At least uh, review what happened and how to improve. That's the most important thing. All right, we have tools to help you as well to in your trading. All right, Abu Dahil, hi, hi, welcome. If you have any question, write in the comment section, yeah? Bro, you think what am I going through is normal? Yes, of course. Yes. And I've seen people who has been trading for about 1 to 2 years and still having losses because they do not have a proper trading system or trading SOP. That's why. One time I first studied for market, I lost $600. I see. You first study, but did you like really approach a mentor? That's the most important thing. A lot of people want to try themselves first. I know that. I understand. Even for myself, I've been through that. All right. And self study is good, but with a mentor right behind or right beside, we will pinpoint, right? What are the things that we have to look out for, or we don't really follow on the theory. The practical is the most important part, right? Say for example, like what we study in the school, we really don't apply it, or it is totally contradicting with the real world practice. Do you agree? If you agree, type 1. All right. Now, I'm scared. What do I think? Why do you scared? I'm stupid. I lost my combine yesterday for being greedy and revenge trading. Yeah. Now, which market do you lost? You can write down in the comment. You put sell, but the market close. Which market? Right. Well, this session, a lot of people having losses. Yeah, I feel bad for that. But I'm also happy for that because you are here. So here's the right place for you to learn. And don't forget to join our free group. Join our free group or PM my assistant. All right. He will help you along the way. He will guide you along the way. All right. One guy, it's okay. Don't worry. For 600 you USDT or US dollar, right? It's quite normal. But before my leader also teach me, he also gives signal only. Oh my god. Um, yeah, you come to a right place, right? You come to a right place, and we are here to guide you. Don't worry. Don't forget to join my my group. All right. My name is Kyo. You can PM me anytime. I'll react to you guys afterwards, or you PM my assistant. All right. Thank you for following. All right. Any question, write down in the comment section. Yeah. Smart money concept. Yes. King of hearts. I'm applying smart money concept for many years, and I trade this using on my six figures account. All right. Last one. I just use this concept to grow my account from 30 grand to over 100 grand. All right. So is Abu Dahir still here? All right, still here. King of Hearts, which market do you trade? Which market do you trade? Or if you want me to analyze the market together, write down in the comment section, yeah? Wang Kai, stay here. Right? Which strategy do you use or which technique? Wang Kai. Two people here. Wang Kai. Cancel, Justin. Hi Abu Dahir, how are you? Are you doing trading? Now, look at MGZ future. Is it this one? MSIF Global Insight Portfolio from Nasdaq. Yeah, I think this one. Oh, which market do you trade? Which market do you trade? Alright, wow, this is a bit, to be honest, this is not a good market to trade. Not a good market to trade. Is it this one? MGC Micro Gold. Alright, look at MGC Micro Gold. From COMEX. Now, the futures of gold close at 4094. The spot is closed at 4080. Gold in New York. Wow, a lot of people are trading gold right here. One kind, any question you can write down. We can exchange any ideas. All right. All right, micro gold future. Let's look at this. All right. It's the same. Now, looking at the this is the external range of liquidity (ERL), and over here. All right. Now it is sitting within the range, so we can assume or we can say this market is moving sideways right now. All right, moving sideways. So let me zoom. All right, moving sideways. So same as gold structure actually. You see, but here there's a confluence of 4 hours fair value gap with the break of structure or breaker block over here. All right, there's a confluence. All right, confluence. So same, my analysis, my mapping for this would be wait for it to retrace to this level, this area, this zone, fair value gap, and wait for the bearish change of character and or a bearish confirmation, a bearish signal price action, then we can go for sell. All right, this is for micro gold future. So the answer to your question, king of hearts, king of hearts. All right, I hope it clarify, or I hope my analysis help you. If yes, don't forget to follow my account, my official account. All right, okay. So if it come down to this level, then perhaps we can go for, or we wait for a long setup. All right. Yes, correct. Um, you can't go. The market's not open, but for crypto, yes. BTC. All right. If I clarify, if my analysis help you, and if you want to join my free group, you can PM my assistant. All right. Text my assistant, yeah, or join the group straight away. Now for BTC. All right. Oh, I just did this morning. I just did. Thank you for following, Franklin. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate it. All right, Franklin. Hi, how are you? Where are you from? Now looking at BTC, Sam was asking BTC. Is Sam over here right now, Sam? Are you here? 246. Sam, are you here? Are you here, Sam? All right. Thank you. Thank you for the response. All right. Wang Kai, are you still here, Wang Kai? Or Justin or Tianzi? All right, for BTC, Dominican Republic. All right. If you have any question, write down in the comment section. I will do the live analysis. Yeah. All right. For Bitcoin, let's look at this. Yeah, interesting price action. Yeah. That's what I said few hours back. So if this market has a 4-hour bullish confirmation or bullish engulfing pattern, then now it might retrace to this breaker block. All right, this is the support that it just breaks today. It just breaks today. All right, thank you for joining. Yeah, don't forget to follow my official account. You'll get notified. Yeah. So this is the support that the market just break below. Why do I define break below? Because there is a bearish candle close below the area. All right. So don't chase for short position yet. All right. Or don't even buy before any confirmation here. Okay. So wait for it to pull back. All right. Form a bearish change of character over here. When it's formed a bearish change of character and retest over here with a bearish engulfing pattern, then you can go for the sell. This is a short position setup for Bitcoin. The next level we can look at is somewhere here. All right, there's a fair value gap right here with the breaker block. I think I would prefer here, right here, sorry, right here. All right. So this is the key area, the key important area that the market could test. All right. So it's about X6. Wow. Wow, quite dangerous, yeah. All right, something around 86,900. 86,900. All right. So Sam, understand? Clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? All right. Appreciate it. Welcome. Thank you. Don't forget to follow my account. And if you are interested to join or get free analysis, PM my assistant or join my group. All right. Now let's look at the next question. Best time frame for SMC. Okay. King of Hearts is asking about best time frame for SMC. There's no perfect time frame. It depends on your personality, your working hours, or your leisure time to trade. All right. Now, for me personally, let me share mine. For me personally, depends on the market. Yeah. For me personally, I will always look at if gold. I will always look at 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. Three time frame. 15 minutes and 5 minutes. All right. So it's all in my guide. All right. A higher time frame to refer or to have a daily bias, and a lower time frame is to look for. Yes, you need to answer the question. Say hi or answer to a question. Yeah. Say hi or answer to the question. Yes, correct. All right. A lower time frame is to look for entry confirmation. Okay. Lower time frame for entry confirmation. All right. So I hope I answered your question. Frankly, from Dominican Republic. Hi, nice to have you here. Any question, write down in the comment section. Yeah, don't forget to follow my account. Thank you for the like. Thank you. Thank you. If you have any question, write down in the comment section. Yeah. Hi, Franklin. Hi. Do you do trading? Yes, Wang Kai. You need to say hi or answer to the question. Yeah, to join. Hi, Franklin. Do you trade? Alright, if you have any question, write down in the comment section, yeah? Let's do the analysis together. Alright, it's my motivation, I think, to, if you ask more questions, it's my motivation as well, because a lot of people here, I know, um, try to learn or try to make money out of it, I know. And I know it's hard, but the more question you ask, the more you gain. Alright. Hi, Franklin. Which market do you trade? Hi, MR Copter 75. How are you? Hi, Dio. Welcome. We've been here for quite some time. If you have any question or if you'd like to exchange idea, alright, just come over here. Don't worry, yeah. Now, any other interesting market for me to analyze? Come on. Or the people right here are all newbies. If you are newbies, write down one. If you are newbies, write down one or you write newbies in the comment section. Let me know. Let me know. Alright. Thank you for the like. Mr. Copter75. How about SOL? Someone just asked about Solana. Is it Solana you are talking about? Is it Solana? Now let me delete the mapping first. Alright. Is it Solana you are talking about? Okay, no problem. Now, this morning I had just do a mapping. Alright. Sorry, I'm having a bit stuffy right here. So you might see some. Hang on, yeah, Wang Kai. Let me analyze for Solana. Alright. Now, in a near term for Solana, on a daily chart, alright. On a daily chart, there is the bearish trend. You can see here there's a bearish trend. Alright. So, now, question to you. Back to you. Question. Do you think Solana is going to bounce back? Or do you think it's gonna be continuing downtrend? If going to be up, you write up. Going to be down, you write down. Alright? What do you mean by alright, can leave it none. It's okay. Yes, correct, Mr. Copter. A short-term uptrend. Alright, why do I agree to that? Alright, let's drill down to 4 hours chart. Now, there is this liquidity sweep right here from the 4 hours chart. From the previous 4 hours chart, there is the liquidity sweep right here and formed by an inducement or a fair value gap. Alright, so the market retraced back over here. The market retraces back over here and continue to have uptrend. So this is the previous pattern. Alright, and from now on, for the market currently, alright, it also sweep the liquidity over here. Alright, now let's drill down to 1 hour chart. Now for short-term uptrend, what it's gonna do, it has to break above this level, 145 level. If it break above the 145 level and creating higher high and higher low, alright, then we can go for the short-term buy. You are right. Alright. But what if it continues to come back? It might happen. Alright. So that's why this is the important area 145. Alright, 145. See if it breaks. If it breaks above 145, then yes, short-term uptrend. If no, it might retest to this level 122. Alright, 122. Oh, Jeffrey is always here. Thank you for support. Therefore, the bottom is SVG. The bottom, you are saying the Solana here. Alright, let's. It's the demand zone I drew earlier on. It's the demand zone I drew earlier on. Alright. Bottom is not FVG, yeah. The FVG is over here. Alright, FVG is over here. Alright, Coco Love. Hi, love. Welcome. What do you mean by how come? On what aspect? So, Mr. Copter, do I answer to your question? Mr. Copter, you are still here? Alright, are you still here, Mr. Copter? Do I answer to your question? Is it crystal clear? This is Solana, yeah? Solana. Look at here. Solana. SOL. Now for beginners, I don't really recommend on trading crypto. Alright, thank you, Mr. Copter. Appreciate it. You are welcome. Right, if it helps, don't forget to follow my account and you will get notified whenever I do a live session, yeah? And if you are interested to join my group, don't forget to PM my assistant or join using the link. Alright? Thank you, Josh. Thank you. Hi, Mystic Hoda. This is Solana, yeah, one guy. This is Solana, yeah. Don't mistaken. Look at the top left over here. Alright, Solana USDT, yeah. Thank you for following all my TR, yeah. Thank you. Hi, JDs. Welcome. Thank you. Hi, Mystic Hota. How are you? My name is Kyo here, and I've been trading for 8 years using SMC and ICT concept on my 6 figures account. Alright. If you have any question, if you are looking to learn about investing or trading on any market, stocks, crypto, forex, or gold, alright, here's the right place for you. Hi, Kobe. How are you? Welcome. Hi, Justin. Any question you can just write in the comment section. Right? I always encourage two-ways communication discussion. Alright. Hi, Michelle. Welcome. Hi, Adam. Thank you for following. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, user. Welcome. Hi, Mr. Koda. Welcome. Thank you for following. Now, my next live session is on tomorrow. Don't forget to come join us. Right? I do live almost every day. Yeah. For English session over here is every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday during Asia session, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Hi, welcome. Thank you for coming. Where are you from? Where are you guys from? Yeah. Hi, Dollar Ladder. Dollar Ladder. How are you? Where are you from? If you have any question, write down in the comment section below. Hi, Mofido. You want to sleep already? Oh, I thought now is a morning time at your country. Wang Kai. You sleep during the daytime? When did I start being profitable? Great question. Now, I started off my trading back in 2017, 18, right? When I was working in the banking industry, right? I was quite hardworking actually. Even after after I finished my work around probably 8 to 11 p.m. almost every day like that. during my working experience. And after I went back home, I studied almost every night on trading. Right? After about 3 months, even my first month, I started to have profit. Right? I should have. I did had a profit in my first month because beginner's luck, I guess. Beginner's luck. All right. Beginner's luck. Then afterwards, ups and down, ups and down. But being a stable, profitable trader is about after 3 months. After I learned how to manage my risk per trade and my emotion. All right. So it's about after 3 months. But every people have different learning curve actually. Some 3 months, some 6 months, some 9 months, or some even few years. So it depends. So for people nowadays, right, the most important or the most common problem that they face is emotion, or they do not know what they are doing. They do not have a mentor right beside to pinpoint where is the mistake that they have done. All right. Oh, you just got off work this morning? Came straight to watch my live stream. I haven't got. Oh, I see. Wow. All right. Go have a rest. All right. Thank you for coming, even after your work. All right. And we shall chat later on after your rest. All right. Okay. How many trades do I take a day? Hi, Zamari Ray. Hi, Jigsaw. Welcome. Any question, write down in the comment section. Yeah. Now, how many trade do I do per day? All right, how many trade do I do per day? Give me a second. Now, um, I'm a swing trader. I'm a swing trader, swing to long-term trader. But I can switch to a scalper because I did scalp before during 2022. All right. If you ask me to scalp, I can scalp. If I do scalping per day, many trades. I lost count. But on my usual mood, I do swing trading, probably around one trade per day or per 2 day. So per week is about 4 to 5 trades, or even the most by 8 or 9 trades per week. All right. So you don't have to trade a lot as a trader. All right. Do I think swing on higher time frame is more accurate? I would say it's not accurate, it's more stable, or it's more easy for beginner to start off with a higher time frame. For a beginner, I always recommend to start off with higher time frame, yeah? Because higher time frame give you the correct bias. Correct bias. Hi Jigsaw. Blew my first prop firm, was $100 away from my funding account. I got 4 more. Yeah, feel sad about it. Now, how many of you think that prop firm is a good way to earn money? Write down in the comment section. How many of you think that a prop firm is a good way for you to make money, or for a good way for you to earn from trading? Write down in the comment section. A lot of people get FOMO in prop firm. I will explain why. Well, I don't have a cash flow or risk much on my own money. Well, how old are you guys? How old are you guys? Now, AM said I use CISD and liquidity sweep and wait for confirmation. It is the same. I see. Now, CISD and liquidity sweep is the trade reversal. You are trading reversal. For a beginner, I don't really recommend. because it involves a reverse way of thinking, because smart money concept or ICT is always about smart money concept. It's always about the thinking of the financial institution or the big players, and it's not easy. It's not easy. CISD and liquidity sweep is you look at the liquidity, wait for the confirmation, and trade for a reversal, better risk reward. All right, but for beginners, right, if you are trading this, your win rate, all right, this is based on statistic or data. The win rate is always less than 50%, but the risk reward is more than that. All right, so for the beginner, right, you must have a good mindset for that. All right, and you have to understand that your trading system works like that. If yes, you are okay, you cope with it, then okay. It's not about accurate, it's about how you handle it, how well you know about this, what is the data look like. All right, the statistic. 38 years old, I see. You can always trade with probably a 1,000 US dollar. All right, you can always trade with a small amount first. All right, now why do I ask about the question of the question about whether you guys think the prop firm could make you a fortune or could make you a money? Because I myself, I don't really even though I passed the prop firm, I failed and passed. I eventually I passed. But looking at my real account or looking at the prop firm trading rules, I'm not sure whether you guys look into it carefully, but the requirement itself stimulate or encourage you guys to for more, because the risk, the maximum risk to have, I'm not sure you guys are signing up which capital, which funded account, but the one I funded is 100,000 US dollar. The risk is maximum is 5%, but the profit target is 10%. Right? It is almost encouraging people to enter a big lot with few trades to fulfill the requirement, which I don't really like it. That's why all of you are formal. All right. So guys, if you have any question, yeah, want me to analyze, write down in the comment section. I'll do the live analysis. No worries, yeah. I'm ending my live soon anyway. All right. I'll be answering the few other question, yeah. If you have any other question, give me a second. Now, so PM me, we can discuss more on the prop firm or on the situation, or if you want to learn, you can just PM our assistant, yeah. I'll react afterwards. How to know that the trend has ended and a reversal will start? All right, now let's look at the example. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Is it gold is a good time? Yeah. Let's look at gold. Now, a lot of people lost yesterday because gold has just retraced Friday's session. All right, this morning. Now look at gold. Look at gold. Sorry, I'm a bit gas. My stomach bloated. All right, for gold. How to know a trend has ended? Let's look at a shorter time frame. Now, by understanding the market structure, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, right? Let me open my pointer here. Never mind, it's okay. Let me draw it over here. Hang on. All right, this is the. All right. Now, for 1 hour chart, the gold market was creating higher high, higher low this week. So this is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Alright? But when it comes to here, now here to here is a lower high, lower high. Alright, so this is the key area. This is the key area. Right? The market created a new low, lower low. Right? The market created a new lower low and lower high when it retested this area. So in this area, once there's a bearish candlestick pattern form, all right, and in this area, right, it breaks below the change of character or the previous low over here, the downtrend has started on a shorter time frame. All right, so do you understand AM? I hope I explain it in a very simple way. Do you understand? Oh, do you understand? So that's when the trend ended. Thank you. Welcome. Perfect. All right. Good feedback. Good feedback. Thank you. Thank you. The question you asked is my motivation to do a live here. Thanks a lot. Yeah. I like the interaction. Actually, I myself, I don't really like do live because I don't like talking to a screen. I like talking to people actually. So that's why when I teach, I have some requirement. My students have to be on the video all the time when I teach, right? Thank you. Keep going. Oh, now thank you. Really thanks. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate the comment and encouragement. I really like it. And I hope my analysis help as well, my knowledge. All right. Thank you. I'm actually having headache today. It's a bit shitty. But yeah, you guys keep me energetic. Hi Isa, Josh, welcome. You've been here. It's a pleasure to have you guys over here. Hi coach, where are you from? Hi Ray Game. Welcome to my live. Do you recommend staying one way or another when it comes to... I see. Oh, good question. Jigsaw invention. All right. No, I don't recommend staying one way. All right. Don't just stay one way. The reason being because AM just asked the question, yeah? How do we know the trend has ended? But unless you are investing, you are not trading. All right? If you are investing in stock market or in spot crypto market, all right? Then yes, you are a long-term investor, you are a value investor, all right? Value investing, we call it. So you stay in a buyer mood. Once you analyze the stock, then you believe that this company is going to make a good project, a good profit for the shareholder, for the investors. All right? So in a 5 to 10 years time, you keep a long bias if you are investing. But if you are talking about trading, I don't recommend it because the trend could change or it depends on your capital. All right? So if you are trading, right, there's always buyer and sellers comes in. Okay? And your bias change when the fundamental news or the fundamental aspect of the company or their political reasons or geopolitical reasons could switch, okay, could switch the stock market. Like a few months ago, the market changed from risk on to risk off. All right, so you should change from a buy to a sell position. Yeah. All right. Thank you. You understand that. Thank you. All right. Don't forget to hit like and follow button. All right. And if you are interested to join us on our free group, all right, don't forget to PM our assistant. Yeah. And I'm ending my live soon, and great time to have you guys over here. I appreciate it. All right, sure, AM. I'll be reacting to your message soon, yeah, after my live. All right. And if you feel my live helpful, don't forget to share my profile, share my official account to your friends and family, to friends who are trading, or to friends who are lost in trading, right? And I hope my expertise can help you. Definitely. All right. The more you come to my live, the more you learn, or the more, or the way you join, I mean, how you react to my group, the more question you ask, okay, it will help definitely. No problem, Justin. Thank you. All right. Hi, thank you. Appreciate it. All right. Tomorrow I'll see you guys again. Hi, Ray Game. How are you? Thank you for coming here. Now, one last market you would like me to share. One last market you would like me to share live analysis. No problem. You're welcome. I appreciate it too. One last market. Anyone? Come on. Anyone? One last market for me to do analysis. Or did I share Nasdaq? I think I did. But let's look at it. Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Any other market or Euro USD? Oh, okay. Let's look at Nasdaq. If I shared earlier on, then we go for Euro USD. Yeah. Hey. All right, Nasdaq. Oh, I did on my previous live. Nasdaq. See which one is more interesting. Nasdaq and Euro USD. Now you see, if you came to my live session, this was the analysis I did. You see, it played out. All right, it played out. All right, let's clear it. Let's see which one should we pick, Euro USD or Nasdaq. Yeah. Oh, I have Euro USD over here. Right here. Oh, right. No, I'll prefer to talk about this. Euro USD. Euro dollar. All right, Euro dollar. Euro dollar, yeah. Now after this, I'll end my live soon. Okay. Now for Euro dollar. Euro dollar. Come on. Now there's a fair value gap. The confluence of fair value gap at 4 hours chart right here. Bearish fair value gap and the order block right here. Alright. So there's a confluence over here, and looking at this long-term 4-hour chart. Alright. It is at downtrend. Downtrend. Okay. But when we drill down to 1-hour chart, it is forming a low, a higher high, a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, retest the previous fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, IFVG. Alright, inverted fair value gap, and it moved upwards, breaking the previous high again and creating a higher low. And break past, alright, the break of structure, came back and retest. Alright, Now, it is approaching a key level at 1.16680. Key level here. Alright? Key level right here. So that's about 40 pips away. 40 pips away. Now for euro dollar. For euro dollar, I think we could see some retracement here. Alright? And let's wait for a bullish change of character. Alright? Afterwards, it might move up to 1.16680. Okay? Now, if you go for a short setup, alright? A sell setup, a sell scenario. For sell scenario, let's wait for it to approach at this 1.16680. Alright? Wait for a bearish change of character. And with a bearish engulfing pattern, then we can go for the sell. A long-term target could be 1.13914. Alright? 1.13914. Or if you have a limited capital, you can go for a short-term take profit at 1.155. The next level will be at here. Alright? So that's about it about euro dollar. Alright? Thank you. Thank you for coming. I'm ending my live soon. Feeling not comfortable right now. Let me grab some drink. Alright, that is about euro dollar. Alright, thank you everyone. So take note, pay attention when the market open next trading session. Yeah. So that's about it. Thank you for coming. My name is Kyo. I will be doing live tomorrow again during the Asia session. Okay, during the Asia session, 8 o'clock. Alright, so great to have you here. Great time. Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Alright, so that's about it. My name is Kyo. Good to have you guys here. Thank you for following my account. If any question, just PM my assistant or PM my inbox. Don't forget to follow my official account. Okay, so thank you everyone. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for following. Alright. Great day. And have a good rest. Alright, thank you everyone. Bye. Thank you. 了，这个坏了。闪下，闪下。哦。对。11点多有流量刚才，然后我刚才讲 stop 了的啦，看到那些 screen，他叫我再给贵。